Happy trails, Transfat. Just another reason Orville Redenbacher's kids were superstars. Based on a remarkable true story.
Yeah, my place, Dad.
Do I look worried?
Yeah.
Do you believe in this thing or not? I mean, Moneyball is one of the best movies in the year. While you're enjoying your lazy days of summer, what?
Just doing it, baby.
NBC is gearing up for an epic fall of brand new shows. Well, that sounds great. And if you just can't wait till fall, this is where you can catch special previews of Free Agents, Up All Night, Witness, and Prime Suspect.
Everybody get on board right now because this is happening.
Right here on demand.
Make tonight an on-demand night. Just go to Channel 1. You don't have on-demand? Call now.
The HSBC Tennis Cup, presented by CCCA, is coming to the Staples Center Friday, October 14th. Andre Agassi, Pete Sampras, Kim Courier, Sean McEnroe. 3 matches, 1 winner, 1 night only. Tickets are on sale now. Go to ChampionSeriesTennis.com.
Now is your chance to win tickets to the HSBC Tennis Cup. Visit StaplesCenter.com to enter to win 2 VIP tickets, hospitality passes with pre-show parties, Q&A with all the players, and more.
Food from Jenny Craig. If you're craving more, call Jenny today.
Tuesday, the runway rocks, and heads will roll. It's like reggae, Jesus.
Let's look at the movie.
Guest Judge Adam Lambert on an all-new Project Runway, Thursday at 9 on Lifetime.
Don't want to get you, reminds me of it was great.